Hello friends, my name is Harsingare and I am from MTech 8th SEM and today I am explaining A star algorithm. So let's see what is A star algorithm. Here is our PPT. A star algorithm is one of the best and popular techniques used for the path finding and graph traversals. A lot of games and web-based maps use this algorithm for finding the shortest path efficiently. It is essentially a best first search algorithm. And here is the working of A star algorithm. A star algorithm works as it maintains a tree of paths originating at the start node. It extends those paths one edge at a time. It contains until its termination certain termination criterion is satisfied. A star algorithm extends the path of minimizing the following functions as you can see that in PPT here is given below. Here is the algorithm that used in the A star algorithm. The implementation of A star algorithm involves maintaining of two lists, open and closed. Open contains those nodes that have been evaluated by the heuristic function but have been no explained but has been expanded into successor CS. Closed contains those nodes that have already been visited. Let's see what is the example of A star algorithm. Here we can see that there is an example of A star algorithm and here is the solution. You can check it out. And here are some pseudocodes of A star algorithm. Put node start in the open list and F is equal to H while the open list is not empty. Third, take from the open list and node current with the lowest. Fourth, node current is equal to node current plus H node current. Fifth, if node current is not node goal, we have found the solution. Break. Generate the state node successor with some of the current as the pseudocodes are given here. Then you can see that afterwards there are some conditions for optimality in A star algorithm that are admissibility and consistency. What is heuristics in A star algorithm? Heuristics, as we can say that we can calculate G, but how to calculate H? So for that we can use heuristics. Uh, there are two types of heuristics: exact heuristics or approximation heuristics. So what is exact heuristics? Exact heuristic is as we can find exact value of H. It is that by which the help of we can find the value of H, but it is generally very well consuming. Below are some methods that calculate. There are some methods given below that are pointed 1 and 2, which are the some methods by which we can find the exact heuristics. The methods are pre-communicate the distance between each pair of cells before running the A star search algorithm. Second is if there are no block cells obstacles, then we can just find the exact value of H without any computation using the distance formula slash uh, or Euclidean distance. Approximation heuristics, there are of three types: Manhattan distance, diagonal distance, or Euclidean distance. The another point is that is time complexity. What is time complexity in A star algorithm? That is considering a graph. When we consider a graph, it may take several travel all the edges to reach the destination cell from one source to another source. Consider the graph. Source and destination nodes are connected by the series of edges like that is given in the PPT. And then the second point is, so the worst case time complexity is 0, where E is 0 E, where is E is the number of edges in the graph. And the third point explains that auxiliary space, in the worst case we can have all the edges inside the open list, so required auxiliary space in worst case is 0 V, where V is the total number of vertices. Thanks for watching.